When you think of software development, who do you think of? Probably a developer. This is natural because the code created by programmers is the backbone of any application. But here's the thing, developers are only one piece of the puzzle. At 𝘃𝗶𝗶𝗋, we help hire specialists for different roles in such sectors as e-mobility, logistics, e-commerce, and fintech. Let me walk you through some key job positions that may be required for your software project. We've already mentioned developers. They are the ones who turn ideas into code. Whether it's a complex warehouse system or a quick mobile app, they will make it work. But before a single line of code is written, we have business analysts. They analyze your needs and turn them into clear tasks for developers. Think of them as translators between your business and the tech world. For complex projects like enterprise resource planning software, you will want an architect. They ensure your system is built to last and grow with your business. In many modern agile environments, a DevOps role is important. They automate processes and improve collaboration, speed, and quality in application delivery. Every project needs good management, and that's where project managers come in. They keep an eye on deadlines, budgets, and quality from the first day till the happy end of your project. Now, how do we know if everything works as it should? That's what a manual tester will check, catching bugs before your users do. For larger projects, we also have automation testers. They set up systems to catch issues quickly as your software grows and changes. No worries, we will help you decide whether test automation is the best fit for your project or if manual testing remains more effective. Let's not forget about looks. Your end user will surely appreciate the good work of UX and UI designers. These specialists know how to make any application intuitive, easy to use, beautiful, and consistent with your brand. If you're using Scrum, and many teams do, you will want a Scrum Master. You will be sure the best practices are followed and the team works effectively. But there's more. Software teams are always evolving, so you may also need product owners, data scientists, cloud solution architects, security engineers, and others. This is where 𝘃𝗶𝗶𝗋 step in to bridge the gap between your needs and the right talent. We know that great software comes from great teams. We take time to understand your goals, culture, and challenges. Then we find experts who can really make a difference for you.